Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Apple ID is active, and you can access the recovery email or phone. Once ready, go into Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name, then Password and Security. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. This prevents unauthorized access. Next, prepare a strong, unique password or passwords app entry. Use a passphrase and mix characters. Start changing or adding passwords now so you secure key accounts before moving to the next steps. Once done with initial setup, open passwords on your device or Safari preferences on Mac to view saved entries. You can use autofill to generate strong passwords when signing up or replacing weak ones. Choose the generated option and save it. Edit entries to include account names, secure notes, or recovery codes for one-time setups. Make sure to tag or label sensitive credentials clearly and synchronize via iCloud keychain so every device updates. Continue stepwise. Replace weakest passwords first and verify logins after each change. To finish, verify iCloud keychain is syncing across all your devices and test sign-ins for critical accounts to confirm everything saved correctly. Once confirmed, tidy up by removing duplicate or outdated entries and backup recovery codes in a secure place. If you encounter problems, use recovery contacts or the trusted device flow to reset a forgotten Apple ID password. You can also go to iForget. Apple. Calm as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. When locked out, use a trusted device or recovery contact before initiating a full reset to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.